Hey, it's TJ with Tipton Family Farm. I am in the car and I'm heading to Belton, Texas. That's right, Belton, Texas. You might say, TJ, why are you going to Belton, Texas? Well, I'll tell you right after this. Okay, guys, I'm back. Make sure and subscribe. Make sure and press the bell for notifications. I am heading to Big D. Well, maybe not Big D, but I'm past Big D, Dallas, Texas. We're going to do a place that's called Belton, Texas. And there is a big event that's taking place this weekend, and it is the Mother Earth News Fair. Now, I'm really jazzed about this. I just found out about it a couple of days ago, and I told Rhonda, I said, pack our stuff. We are going to Belton, Texas. So, hey, I'm going to have a great time. You're going to be seeing, I'm going to mix all the video into this one video. So, there's no telling who we're going to meet. There's no telling who we're going to see. But I know this, it is going to be a weekend of fun things. So stay tuned, and I'll give you more as we go. Well, we made it here to, well, almost there. Temple. Spent the night here at the motel. About ready to go have a fun-filled day. Yeah, going to meet a lot of people, meet some other YouTubers, and find out more about homesteading and small farms, and, of course, Tipton Family Farm. We'll catch you inside. Okay, I just auditioned for Garden Gladiators. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Anyway, we're having a great time here at the event, and thank you all so much. That was a blast. That was a blast. Hey! Really nice people. Had a lot of fun. I'm with Bo and Kelly. Yeah, and better together. Make sure and subscribe to the channel. You'll really like it. Bo has some great ideas on rabbitry. Yeah. And so tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Yeah, so we raise Rex rabbits on our property along with our chickens and our pigs. And we basically use the rabbits as the cornerstone of, because there's nothing better than rabbit manure.
Exactly.
For your garden.
And there's a lot of it.
Yeah, and then you can actually get
no shortage.
Yes, I know. They breed like rabbits and they poop like them too. And you can even give that rabbit manure to your chickens, and the chickens will dig in there and just eat all the good bacteria and bugs and everything. Because I guarantee you that if you have rabbit poop, all the life, all the just everything. Like yeah, they just love it.
Cool. Matter of fact, I'm here today because of them. They just posted to YouTube like Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, right? And so I'm cruising through here. I'm looking at all of the Homestead farms and different things like that. And here you two are on your front porch, right? Yeah. Telling about,
in the cold, drinking coffee.
In the cold, drinking coffee, telling about this. And so I went running into the room, and I told Rhonda, I said, come on, pack up. We're going to Texas.
You have a good crew.
Yes, you do.
Jump in and follow. That is a fun family.
You're a lucky man.
Yeah. Hey, thanks again, guys. We're taking your time with us,
and thrilled.
We're here. I always forget the name of this place.
Mother Earth
News. Yeah, that exactly what I'm talking about. So listen, if you get a chance, make sure and check out their YouTube page, Better Together Life. Subscribe and click the little bell for notification. Okay, guys? Thanks a lot. Hey, I'm with Stephen Cox, and Stephen Cox on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And tell us about what you're doing here.
So, my channel is a heavy equipment repair mechanic channel, but Justin with the Good of the Land and I both have a festival coming up in October. It's going to be October 10th. And our festival is a whole bunch of other YouTubers that are giving demonstrations and teaching you guys about how to do things like blacksmithing, welding, beekeeping, homesteading.
Now, I'm really interested in beekeeping because that's what I do. So that'd be a lot of fun.
So Blake Kerr's, Daddy Kerr's on YouTube. He does the beekeeping class. And the best thing about the festival is we have a ton of booths set up for you guys to come out to, and our booths aren't set up to sell you stuff. Our booths are set up to teach you stuff.
Okay.
So if you come up to the blacksmith shop and you want to actually hand forge stuff, we're going to put red hot metal in your hand, and the blacksmith's going to tell you, hit it here, hit it here, hit it here, and you're going to have something to take home.
Wow. Wow. That you don't see that. It's kind of like that Branson thing, you know, where you can watch them, but you don't watch them. You get to do it yourself.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah, we wanted to make this festival different than any other festival we've ever been to, because when I was a kid, I saw a blacksmith at a festival.
Right.
And I really wanted to go out there, and as soon as I asked, they're like, no, you can't get behind the
Right.
chain. I
Yeah.
said, great.
Yeah. Well, cool.
Not here.
Well, listen, I'm going to try to make that October the 3rd. That sounds like a lot of fun.
I'd love to see you there.
Yeah, and I want to find out more about bees
Yeah.
and different things like that. So thanks for your time.
Yeah, no problem. Look forward to it.
All right. He want to be on YouTube. His name is Tom. I don't know, but I just named him Tom. He's going to have his own YouTube channel.
Do it. Do the gobble.
Hey, I'm with Daddy Curbs here, and having a great time. I'll tell you, I've really been enjoying this, haven't you?
Yes, it's a good crowd.
And so you're here, your time here as a YouTuber, because that's really what I came for, is meet all the YouTubers that are in homesteading, small farms, different things like that. And and your specialty, or I don't know about your specialty because you probably have many of them, but the one thing that you do is bees.
I do bees, yes.
Mm-hmm. Tell us a little bit about that. How'd you get started?
So I got started, I planted a small orchard back in 2012, I think, and it turns out that, so I got bees for the orchard for pollination, and I discovered over the year and a half or so after that keeping bees was easier than keeping fruit trees in Texas. So I ended up, the orchard still exists, but it suffers.
Right.
But the bees became a passion of mine.
Okay.
And since then, I've had up to 7 hives, but I currently have 4.
Okay.
Started out with 1.
Okay.
So it's just, it's just something I've done over the years, and it's been fun for me.
Well, I'm really excited. I'm about ready to start with 3 hives this year.
Nice, good for
I
you.
had one a couple of years ago, but now that we moved, I'm going to start 3. Mm-hmm. And any special bees that you like the best? What's your favorite bee?
Local.
Local?
Really, honestly, because I've had Russian bees, I've had Italian bees,
Okay.
I've had some of the, I can't remember the name of it. There's another breed here in Texas, but what I find is that when you catch a swarm, they are they're healthier bees, and they're more adapted to your area because they're from here.
Right.
So they end up being more productive. Sometimes you might deal with a little bit of temper, but so far, even though I have some videos on my channel about the angry bees, most of the time they're very manageable.
Okay.
And I really
And
do
so
like
you
local
go
bees.
out and you just get your own bees in.
Well, I've done that, and I've purchased bees.
Okay.
But I think the bees that I go and get are better bees.
Okay. Okay. Well, listen, we're going to be subscribed to Daddy Curbs.
Daddy Curbs Farm, you can check it out
Yeah.
right there.
And make sure and also hit the bell. That way
right.
you can always hear all the new fresh stuff that's coming out from Daddy Curbs.
That's right.
Hey, I appreciate your time.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
All right. See you guys.
Okay, folks, look what I found. I found the thing that I've been looking for my chickens, and this is my friend here, and he's going to tell us exactly how this operates, okay?
Yeah. Well, thank you. This is the chicken guard locking door.
Okay.
And when the door closes at night, it'll lower down, and it has 2 locks on either side that engage once the door is fully closed. This way, it prevents more craftier predators like raccoons from being able to lift the door open
Okay.
once it's closed then when it opens in the morning, the pin retracts locks and allows it to freely open.
And this is what I'm getting, right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's correct.
Now tell me about the head unit right there.
Okay, so this is the chicken guard opener,
Okay.
and it has it works off either a timer or sunlight sensor.
Okay.
And 4 AA batteries. It also has the ability to hook up power to it.
But
too,
the
if you'd like.
4A batteries will last about a year. Is that right?
That's correct.
Wow.
If you're in colder climates, you might have to change it
Uh-huh.
after the first cold snap. But
the chicken guard.
yep,
Guess what? I'm buying me a chicken guard right now.
Yes.
That sound like a good deal?
that sounds great.
Okay, I'm
Thanks,
sitting
guys.
here and I just ordered me some bees from this gentleman, and I'm expecting. Plus, I took a class that he has here, and it's in Waco, right? Waco area.
Yes.
Yeah. And tell us a little bit about the class.
So we've been keeping bees for about 40 years, and we teach beekeepers, particularly new beekeepers, how to a simple form of beekeeping. And so that's what we do in our one-day class, overview of our methodology that we use for the first year. It's kind of like a recipe for the first year of beekeeping. So it kind of gets you a jump start in beekeeping, kind of gets you to find out what you need to do to become successful.
Yeah. Now, listen, guys, if you're interested in this, and I'm going to the class in May, get in touch with me, and I can sure tell you how to get hooked up with these great folks on your first year of beekeeping. And I went ahead and ordered. This right here, this kit right here, and this. He says that this, with his information, that he's going to be able to start another hive in the fall. So that's going to be an awesome opportunity. So that'll give me 3 to start with, and maybe by fall I'll have 6. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right here. And what's the name of your business, my friend?
Oakley Family Apiaries.
Oakley Family Apiaries. Did I say that right?
That's right.
Okay, thanks a lot.